Okay, so it is the 8th of February, 2024. And these are my trading notes. I talk about what I was thinking at the time and decisions I made. And I will try to put in some live trades if I make any today. I did not take this one on purpose. I just didn't want to short. But this turned out to be a good short. I was looking at it, and all I was looking at was this break of this little formation here, and my goal would have been to get out at 6 because just take a 1-for-1 risk to reward. But one of the things I was looking at also is let's get over here on the 10 minute, see if it's easier. So um, I drew this line across. This was support yesterday at the 04 level, 03, 75, 04. It hit it quite a few times. It came down and almost touched it this morning. So I was looking at it as probably a buy area, but what kept me out of it was, and let me go to a shorter time frame. Um, this is one of my favorite moves right here. Actually, I was looking at a 5 minute. Sorry. Um, and it's a 1, 2, 3 reversal, which is 1, 2, 3. You buy above this high, and then you put your stop below that low. The only thing I didn't like about it was the DMI was not crossing over on that move, and it could still do it. But the only thing is, right now, in a half hour, maybe 40 minutes, we have the unemployment numbers, I believe it is, that are coming out, and that's going to have unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. So it's just hovering right now. There's no reason to get in a position because it could go kind of crazy either way. And but I was looking at the book map also. I just want to bring that up real quick. Um, they did start putting some liquidity up here at the 12 area, 1250, but there was a lot of liquidity still down here at the low area. And things are just not coinciding like they should be in this for me to put on a trade the way I look at it. So here's the TTM squeeze shows it's bullish. The MACD shows bullish, but we're still in the bear on the DM and or DMI, and there's got to be um, uh, agreement in my mind before I get in a trade. Now everything's below. This is the VWAP, so it's below the VWAP. It should be going short or showing some short signs, but we'll wait and see what happens after the news. So I will pause it and come back. So the news just came out, and it's nothing really exciting. There Well, it's never really exciting. It just moves usually a lot more and faster than this. But I'm kind of looking, it's still in a downward trend. I mean, right now, I'm looking for it to come down around this what is it, 5,000 area. There's a good, good little resistance area back. I mean, support area right there. That top right there. And then we had another little top right here. So it's already hit that 03 level. So if it comes on down, breaks through 03, 04 time frame. I don't know. We just have to wait and see what happens. So, book map is not showing a lot of liquidity. The only liquidity it is showing is down around the 0125, and it is not just not doing anything right now. So I will see what happens when I come back. All right, so this is the 3 minute chart. We had the 1, 2, 3 reversal. 1, 2, 3. It broke that high. Now on this is the 3 minute chart I'm looking at, and the DMI is getting ready to cross over. So everything looking like it wants to go up. So what I'll be looking for is a bull flag and hopefully make a trade. We will wait and see. I just wanted to show the book map. Excuse me. This we have liquidity has been built up top a little bit. There's not a whole lot of orders there, but you can see like 198 at 520, 5020, and all of it. So they're trying to attract it on up. Also, there's still liquidity down here. So I use this mainly to prove the direction I'm looking. So if I was looking at the upside, which I am, but if there was nothing up here, I'd say no, I'm just backing off until something comes in. So it looks like they're trying to attract some traders up here, some buyers to get up to that level. So we'll just kind of see what happens here, and I will pause it. So I, excuse me, I just got filled long. I'm looking at going on. Hopefully it'll go on up. Got to put my stop in right here. I'm only long 3 micros right now, and we'll see what happens. It's pointing up, so we will see if. In fact, I'm thinking. Let's see. So I've got a 3-point stop. Let me see how this reacts. I may add 3 more here. Yeah, I'm going to hold off yet. But like I said, I'm long 3. I may add in a few. Okay, so I just added 3 more, and I'm down a point right now. So we'll see. We'll go ahead and put another sell stop in here. This is a bull flag, like I said. The only thing, it went up to the 200 moving average, which is kind of curled down. That might be a detriment there, but oh well, that's part of the game. So we'll see if it can move on up. All right, so I just got stopped out, and I am going to wait and see what the next if there's another setup coming up. So I'm going to pause it and see what happens. All right, I just got long again, and this is a 10-minute chart we're looking at. Everything looks like it wants to go on up, and here's the 5-minute. Got the little bull flag going. I've got another buy order above that high. So we will see if it can continue on up. If not, put my stop down here at 825. Let's see. 850, I'll move it here. We'll see what happens. I will freeze it and come back. All right, so excuse me, I got in the market a little early and took the loss. I was down like 80 bucks, $89, something like that. And then I saw where it was going to look like it was going to go up again. So I got in again here and whittled it down, not much. Just I think I was took this profit, bought here, took this profit, got out, and then got in again right here and got out right here. So I think I got in at 12 and got out at 14 and a quarter. So had 6 contracts on there. So I'm down 30 bucks right now. And right now it's a kind of a mid-range day or a consolidation day, whatever you want to call it, after yesterday's big move. So I may not even get back in today. I'm going to give it a break. Probably go to the store and do something to get away from the computer, and then come back and get a fresh look at it. It's all looking like it still wants to go up, but there's no good setups, and it looks kind of range bound. So I am going to pause it and come back later. So I'm back now. I just did the charts. Just it's all messy. So I'm not going to trade anymore today. I'm down. Like I said, my $30 plus commissions, and so I'm just going to wait for tomorrow and see what it brings. So I hope you had a good trading day. I consider it a good day because I didn't get hurt too bad, but still traded my system. So now here I probably should have drawn that angle at a 45-degree angle instead of I drew it down this way, and then I got in and I got stopped out. So I probably what I used to do was just put a line straight across and buy above that high. And then as things started moving towards it, then I would draw the line down. So I may start doing that because it was not a bad way to do it. Then you just put your stop down below the low, and that would have been a 3-point move. But anyway, these are my notes. Like I said, if you get something out of it, I hope so. If I appreciate you watching this far, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.